I ain't a Dodge Ram, I ain't even a Honda mid-size sedan. I ain't flashy, don't cost a lot, gonna impress your mama with the features I got. No speed, like to conserve my energy. No need for luxurious amenities, but I tell you one thing for free, I got everything that you need. Baby, I'm a 2008 Ford Ranger, reliable, versatile, little man, dangerous. When I hit the street, 10 miles to the galley, there between the sheets, I keep moving, cook with a child. Give me a sniff and kick the tires, get exactly what you need and nothing more from me. And your dad's gonna love me. Alright, give it up for my dad. Well, I ain't no convertible, Chrysler Sebring, no Mercedes, no German engineering, no Ferrari, no Lexus, more bang for your buck, just ask my exes, baby. I get you from A to B, obviously, but you can't guarantee. And I'll tell you one thing for free, I got everything that you need. Baby, I'm a 2008 Ford Ranger, reliable, versatile, a little bit dangerous. Look, when I hit the street, 10 miles to the galley, in between the streets, I got a bullet full CD player, playing skinner so loud I can serve the neighbors. Get what you